Millie, where are we going this morning?
To the new playground.
To the playground that you like going to? You excited? Are you excited, Liam?
Yes.
What do you have to do? What are you missing right now to leave?
Shoes.
Shoes!
Your shoes are wet. Why are they wet, Liam?
I don't know.
Did you leave them outside?
Yep.
This is our life. So this playground is really neat. It's the ARC playground in Richmond, and so it's meant for people and kids of all abilities. So you can, there's like swings for kids in wheelchairs, and our kids really love it. It's very interactive. So
Hey, Mommy.
it says it's a secret. Are you getting wet, Amelia? It says maybe. Are you getting wet? A little bit. We decided to come on the nice sunshiny day. What you doing, Harper? Swinging?
Swinging. One more.
Whoop. Woo!
Liam, up here!
Oh goodness.
Need more ball.
What you think, Harps? Hi, Harper. Hi, Harper, baby.
Okay, Amelia. There's the audience. The audience have won.
Alright, we stopped to get lunch. The kids got pizza. And Mommy had Qdoba, got this cool taco bowl.
And Daddy got a lot of meat on his pizza. And black olives.
Black olives are your vegetable.
Yep.
I could do it.
So Millie and I are working on some reading, and I put some of the words on the board, and she gets to erase them off as she reads them. She reads them and then acts them out. So this is Logic of English. It's really interactive, and we have some lovely Liam scribbles on here too. It's a long word, Millie. Can you do it?
That's Liam's scribble?
Yeah, that's Liam on there.
No, this is Liam's scribble.
All right, can you read number 7?
That's me.
No, you scribbled? Great. All right, can you read number 7?
Okay.
Oh, 3-3.
Stop. Stop. Stop.
Stop.
Good.
And
Uh-huh.
act. And like
What is it? All
stop and pat.
right, let's see you act it out. All right, you gonna pat Liam? Liam, can you stomp and pat? Good.
Stop and pat.
Let me see you. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Good. So this is happening right now.
Hey, they're coming out pretty good though.
Joe is grilling hamburgers and hot dogs when it's pouring down rain. Amelia?
Annie's outside.
Amelia, it's pouring down rain.
And Annie was outside a minute ago.
You crazy.
It's soap. Where's soap coming from?